Imagine, if you will, we're trying to figure out if smoking causes lung cancer. Bear with me. We know smoking causes lung cancer. But in the 1950s, they didn't believe smoking caused lung cancer. So let's say they decided to do a study to see if smoking causes lung cancer. The most obvious thing to do would be comparing smokers and non-smokers to look at their lung cancer rates. Let's say instead they decide to study someone who smokes 2 packs a day compared to someone who smokes 3 packs of cigarettes per day. And in the end, both have the same rates of lung cancer. And they say, see, smoking doesn't cause lung cancer. Okay, that wasn't fair. It was smoking against smoking. Okay, so now they decide to test, well, let's look at this brand of cigarettes compared to that brand of cigarettes. And look, they both have the same rate of lung cancer. Yeah, but they were both still smokers. Now they look at it and they say, okay, well, let's look at the people who live in this town and smoke 3 packs a day and compare it to the people who live across the country in this town and smoke 3 packs a day. And see, look, there's no difference in lung cancer rates. Well, yeah, because they still all smoke. They all smoke. And the only way to find out whether or not smoking causes lung cancer is if you compare it to people who don't smoke. Those are the vaccine studies right now. The ones that say vaccines don't cause chronic disease. Vaccines don't cause autism. Did they look at vaccinated children compared to unvaccinated children? No. They looked at vaccinated children compared to different vaccinated children. They got MMR. They got DTaP. They got 7 vaccines in one visit. They got 5 vaccines in one visit. They got 4 milligrams of aluminum. They got 2 milligrams of aluminum. But they never looked at vaccinated versus unvaccinated children to look at the actual outcome. That's how absurd this whole thing is. It's not hard. If you can see it in the lung cancer study example, then you can see it in the vaccine examples. And if you can't see it, I don't know how to make you see it. All we're asking is for a vaccinated versus unvaccinated study and someone brave enough to publish it, because I know there's the Henry Ford trial, but no one's published it. We don't actually have access to the actual data. So someone has to be brave enough to do the study and publish the data. And if you think vaccines are great and they don't cause all these chronic diseases, then just do the study. Then just do it and prove us wrong.